Hello guys, so I have Xiaomi S1 here. So there have a problem of this kind of Xiaomi S1. So let's open. What is the problem? So the problem is error 21. So we're going to solve this kind of problem. So let's go and let's open this kind of scooter and let's check the wiring and then the BMS of the battery. So this is the controller and the wiring. So now let's go to take out all. So right guys, so I already take out now all the connecting wire to the controller. So now we're going to clean and let's put it back. So let's put it back again and we will try it. The brown and then the blue. Then the BMS and the last one, the dashboard. Going to put the battery. The next one is to the battery. So alright guys, so we are already connected all now. So we already clean and put and plug again the controller to the battery. So now we're going to check if there have an error also. So let's try. So this is it. It's not error now. So maybe the wire is not exactly to put inside the hole of the controller. So that's why I have an error A21. So as you can see, it's not blinking now and it's working now. So we're going to try to run. So this is it. It is already okay now. So we are already fixed the error 21. So alright guys, so as you can see, it's already running now. So thank you guys for watching this kind of video. So see you to my next vlog.